Alrighty, we got a ABUS 300. I guess this is the 8345, 8345. It says 300 on the bottom there. That's kind of where I get that from. And this is a very easily rekeyed lock. This one has a Schlage keyway and opens up like that. You will need the key, or you'll need to pick the lock to get it open. Then you'll have a Phillips head screwdriver in here, and it will just drop right out like so. It threads directly in to the cylinder itself. And you can do this one of two ways. You can use the existing key and rotate. Oh, this one doesn't actually have it. There's usually a little catch right here that actually needs to be depressed in for you to actually rotate this over to where you can rekey it out the bottom. You can also pull the retaining clip off the back and use a conventional follower. So we're just gonna pop that out. Come on. And put our new key in. Fill this thing up. Okay. And then we're going to make sure that they all fit. So these can be master keyed as well. That's going to be a little more tricky. I would recommend you pull the clip off of that, but then we'll just go ahead and click. Oh, what happened? Master pins got caught in the top. That's ugly. Okay, so, well, we've got a problem here that we've got to fix. Basically, our master pin, I don't know if you can see it right there, got caught. See how you can see all these other ones? And then that one right there, the pin basically got caught in there when I shoved the key in, and now when I go to rotate the key over, it won't go. So, now we have no key that works for this. And that really sucks. And pop that clip off, grab a shim, shin pick this thing. So we're just using the key blank, shim, shim, shim. Got off track. What happens when you try to do things too fast? Something stupid like this happens. What the heck? Got some lubrication in this. This thing's just bound and determined to ruin my day. Truly. I don't know if there's serrated pins in here or what. Something is just not wanting to cooperate. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, I don't know why that was such a pain to shim. But it was nonetheless. Okay, so now get this in there. And I don't know where that top pin went. So now we're going to have to figure that out. Through trial and error. Okay, so now we're going to make sure that they're all in there and that nothing gets trapped in there as we flip this over. And there we go. We now have a working key. So that's how we can fix that. That definitely wasn't planned to happen. And I don't know why this one doesn't have this little detent here, but usually to cam this over, you would push that little detent as you rotate the lock over, and that will solve your problem. I guess we can put this back in the housing. Usually like a little bit of white lithium grease at the back of these whenever we service them. It keeps things moving. Not on the threaded side, obviously. And these aren't too nasty, so I don't really think we need to clean them out or wash them out with any kind of solvent right now. I think they'll be fine. And then we just simply redo that. And go. There you go. ABUS 8345. Check out Wayne's Lock Shop. Wayne's Lock Shop, we strive to be the leading resource in tips, tricks, and educational videos for locksmiths. Videos are added every week on topics ranging from rekeying high-security locks to marketing your locksmith business and everything in between. Safe openings, car openings, installation tool reviews, and bypass methods are all plentiful on this secure website built by and for locksmiths. If you are a locksmith and want an inexpensive resource that will prove invaluable to you and your business, then Wayne's Lock Shop is the place for you. Please sign up today at wayneslockshop.com.